Autotek in Denver, Colorado, and we're going to talk a little bit about the most basic maintenance service your vehicle gets, the oil change. Now, let's look at the history of the oil change. Back in the day, maybe 50, 60, or 70 years ago, your vehicle needed oil changes more frequently and was referenced as an LOF, which stood for lubricate, oil, and filter, as you needed to lubricate parts of the vehicle, change the oil, and change the filter. Those days are gone. However, there's still a lot of inspection and other components necessary to your modern oil change. And your oil change, while it may seem like a simple service, is actually quite specific and matters more than you know. A lot of folks might opt to go to the cheapest, quickest solution for an oil change because their goal is to keep their time as effective as possible and keep their wallet as full as possible. We understand that wholeheartedly, and we want to support you. So here at Saul's Autotek, we actually lose money doing oil changes so that we can stay competitive with all of these quick and swift lube type places so that we can offer you an ASE Certified Technician rather than a $12 an hour employee doing your oil change. There's a few reasons that's important. First off, every one of our staff members is an ASE Certified Tech and had to go to school for 2 years and get trained on how to do every piece and part of what they do. Every oil change is different, and yours is no exception. Whether you've got a Honda Civic or a Bentley or a Buick Encore or a Rolls Royce, your oil change is very important. Some manufacturers opt for a 3,000 mile interval, some as high as 15,000 miles. Some ask for a 530, some ask for a 020, some ask for a conventional oil, some ask for a synthetic blend, some ask for a full synthetic, some ask for additives. Some older vehicles have requirements that modern oil doesn't actually have. These are part of the reasons that you should be going to a true ASE certified technical facility to get your oil changes done. We offer cost competitive rates so that you can maintain your wallet's integrity. We offer stand-in waiting service so that you don't have to take any more of your time, and we have the best technicians available to take care of your car. If your oil change is recommended at a certain interval and with a certain fluid, there's a reason for that. And engineers got paid for years to develop that motor and figure out why it needs its oil at that interval, what viscosity it needs, and what other requirements it may have. Additionally, your vehicle might have other checks that are done at its regular oil change that you don't know about and that a quick lube shop might not know about because they don't have the same database resources that we do here at Saul's Autotek. We employ not one, not two, not three, but all four of the nation's largest parts and knowledge-based vendor systems so that we literally have access to all knowledge about every car that is on the road. So if you've got a concern about your oil change, you're worried that you might have been sold something else that didn't make sense, or you're just making sure that yours gets the best service consistently, come and see us at Saul's Autotek. Even if it's an oil change, we're going to make sure a master is on your car every time. See you soon.